Hi guys, my name is Ephraim Ngali. I'm a mobile phone technician. We have a shop in Kenya, Nairobi, situated at 20th Century, Mamangina Street, second floor. It's called Cellnet Communications Limited. We deal with repairs of phones, different kind of phones, and it's an industry which is growing fast. We hope continue and maybe in the next few years to come to be able to handle the complicated phones, smartphones, the time goes.
So what is the most common phone you get to repair?
Mostly you find the Nokia phones are the common phones you get. We have the E series, the C series, the X series, N series, but mostly Nokia are the common phones which people are used to.
Why do you think it's important to repair these phones?
One thing is these are electronic gadgets, like even the radios. So you see, if you can be able to repair something like a radio, a TV, even the phone can be repaired also. Yeah.
What do you think about people in Europe and in North America that when the phone breaks, normally they just get a new one?
On that side, what I'll say is it's all about the technical side of it and how you handle it. Because in most cases you find us here throwing away a phone, as in if it has a breakage or something we've learned from before that these things can be done. Yeah. So I expect even them to be more ahead than us. But you find it's a bit challenging. We can repair phones, but you find them, it's hard for them to repair. So you find in most cases, they throw away a phone which is, let's say, something like one piece, which will just take like 10-20 minutes to repair it and put it back in working. Yeah.
So how do you get spare parts for all these phones?
Spare parts are available locally and internationally. Yeah.
So if you don't have it, what do you do?
Yeah, you can order. Yeah. You can order from abroad. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many phones do you normally repair?
On daily basis or?
You can say.
Okay. Let's say in a day, if you get like 5 pieces, you can manage to repair 3, or even 4, depending on the type of the problem which the phone has. Yeah.
So every week?
Every week, if the volumes are big, you might get like even 50. Yeah, 50 pieces.
What are the problems that you cannot fix?
There are those like you find the liquid damaged phones. Yeah? Some they are corroded that you can't be able to repair it. It's completely damaged on the motherboard. Yeah. Or those who blew because of electricity fault. Yeah. Such kind.
So as phones are becoming more complicated, what are the new challenges for you to repair them?
The new challenges for the new model phones which are coming, you find most of them, if you check at the system itself inside there, called the motherboard, you find previously you get a phone with like 4 components inside. Yeah. So if one is faulty, you can be able to replace it. Nowadays you find a phone with only 1 component, which controls the charging network. It controls almost everything on the phone. And they find there are some which are sealed from the outside. You can't even remove it, you can't even do anything on it. So those ones are hard to repair.
What do you do in these cases?
In those cases, you say the phone is not repairable. Yeah.
And what about the smartphones?
The smartphones are not that bad. They're there, but they have challenges also. when it comes to availability of parts, and the way the software is programmed. So there are many challenges also in that area. This job I've been doing it from the year 2001. Yes, from the year 2001.
How did you learn?
I learned it from my friend who went to Dubai and learned, and then he came and showed me how to do it. But we started with those days when we had like Nokia 3310, Sony Ericssons, those small phones for those days. So after that, I had to put some effort in me. Some things I had to learn them through the hard way, because there was no one who could show you. So you had to sit down and see how you can go about it. And also there are those books which you could be able to use, how to dismantle a phone, how to go about this problem. At least those are of assistance of us. Yeah.
What is the brand that normally is the easiest to repair?
Now, depending on the year, each year there's a different phone. Each year there's a different phone. Yeah. So, but the simple ones are the Nokia ones. Let's say the Nokia X3, the Nokia C3, yeah, Nokia C5. The ones without a slide or without a touch. Yeah.
What are the most complicated ones? The ones that you find most complex?
Most complicated ones are the smartphones like the HTCs. Those ones are very, very complicated.
Why?
Because you find, one, dismantling it is a problem. You find that parts are very, very delicate. You're not supposed to touch it with your bare hands because of the anti-radiations also. So you find those ones are very, very complicated. Yeah. Even their technology is different from others. Yeah.
So if the phone is broken, is there any way like to recycle parts?
Depending where the problem is. Like for example, maybe the phone has a problem on the motherboard. You can get, there's a battery you can use. Maybe the cover is okay, you can also use. Or even you can use like the touch screen. Yeah. There are those parts you can be able to use if the phone is completely damaged.
Are touch screens giving a lot of problems?
Yeah, they are. But they're also available in the market.
So how many shops like yours are there in Nairobi?
What I'll say, the number of shops which are in this town, I'll say they're uncountable. Let me put it like in every building you'll get a phone repairing shop. Yeah.
And what do you say about the opportunities for this business?
Opportunities are there, though it's tricky. But if you are situated somewhere where you have clientele, you get something. Yeah, because you find everyone has a phone. So it's you are promised at least a day you get 1 or 2 pieces to repair. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to add anything else?
Just to add on it, as you said, like in UK, they don't repair phones. It's a challenge to them. Yeah. They should start doing that. They should keep themselves busy also. No, it's job creating.